How to rebuild trust in your relationship. When you've gone through a rough patch with your partner, it might feel hard to remember the connection that originally drew you to that person. Fortunately, rebuilding trust through vulnerability, honesty, and meaningful communication can help you and your relationship move to a healthier place. To put you and your partner on the path to stronger bond, we've compiled a list of trust-building activities you can start to incorporate into your life with your partner. Try a 20-minute cuddle session. Ask your partner about their boundaries before you touch them. Find out what type of touch makes them feel most comfortable. Cuddling, hugging, kissing, or having sex with your partner releases oxytocin. When your brain and your partner's brain release oxytocin, your feelings of trust and bonding are scientifically proven to get a boost. Spend 3 minutes looking into each other's eyes. Build empathy and connection through this exercise. Sit somewhere comfortable and let your eyes and face relax for a soft gaze as you look at your partner. Set a timer for 3 minutes, or start with 30 seconds of eye contact if the exercise feels too intense. Stay focused on your partner's eyes and try not to dwell on any one thought. Studies show that eye contact triggers the limbic mirror system in our brains, which allows us to better understand other people's emotions and actions. Practice mindful breathing together. Ease tension with this 20 to 30 minute activity. Find someplace comfortable to sit across from each other, in a chair or on the floor. Straighten your backs, and close your eyes. For the first 10 minutes of the exercise, just close your eyes and focus on your own breathing to gain awareness of your body. Then, open your eyes, and have your partner open their eyes as well. Watch each other's bellies and shoulders to become aware of the rise and fall of the other person's breathing. Don't force your breathing to synchronize, but enjoy the feeling of connection if it happens naturally. Write gratitude letters to each other. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Use that time to write a letter to your partner about why you love them and what makes you grateful for them in the relationship. Research shows that expressing gratitude makes you happier and makes the recipient feel more positively, too. When the timer goes off, read your letters aloud to each other or exchange letters to read silently. Guide each other through an obstacle course. Rearrange tables, chairs, and other furniture. Blindfold your partner and verbally guide them through the maze to practice relying on each other's communication. This activity allows you to practice listening to each other and looking out for one another. Give your partner directions like, take 3 steps to your right, or, turn to the left. Take turns revealing a secret. Tell your partner something you haven't told them before. Be vulnerable with your partner, and let them do the same by withholding judgment. That way, you give each other opportunities to rebuild the confidence that you can emotionally rely on each other. Alternate who speaks, and tell each other about past stories, facts about yourself, or emotions you haven't previously expressed. You can even take turns letting each other speak for 5 minutes uninterrupted. Only share information that you feel safe sharing. You shouldn't feel pressured or uncomfortable, and neither should your partner.